I'm Pete Carleson. I work here as a Applications Development Manager, and in our group we do the SEM, focused ion beam, and metrology data for the semiconductor industry. Overall, we're starting to build more machine learning and artificial intelligence aspects into the tools so that it can see things and react much faster than what a human can do. These tools are here to give process insight to customers, and it's amazing to see how the service and engineering and applications pull together to make it happen for the customer. By having the connected care portal, they can quickly see the status of the fleet. You can tell what is the health of the tools, and so that you can optimize the types of the service engineers and their expertise at hand, instead of just having more people available, instead of having the right people available. This is just what our customers need, a fabulous program to have that wraparound service to pull in, not just getting it sort of repaired, but also optimizing its use with the application engineers, as well as the dashboard to see how the tool health is going so that you can proactively plan when to maintain the tool rather than waiting for it to go down. Service engineers, they can look at a total system and they see individual problems, and they can link together the single source for all those problems and put together a solution. The semiconductor industry is really interesting to support because almost everything we touch these days has a chip in it, and some of them are really fascinating uses. One of my favorite stories is a customer that they make chips, and they may have to make their own chips because they have to have liability control of the whole thing. And their chips go into pacemakers, and then those pacemakers go into people. And so they have pictures up in their lobby of lives that they've basically saved with the chips that they made into their pacemakers. And so it's really rewarding to work with customers like that.